Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the PedroCoin. Ticker symbol is PEDRO. Now this token just started their pre-sale yesterday, December 6th, and it's going to go all the way until February 27th. This is a meme coin on the Ethereum blockchain. You can find it in the pre-sale section on coinsniper.net. We're going to go over the information on this token, on this pre-sale, and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this token here. He is a raccoon. I'm assuming it's a raccoon. It says, at Real Pedro ETH is where you could find them on Twitter. Blue verified checkmark. It says, welcome to the world of Pedro. 3,630 followers, 3 tweets, and a blue verified checkmark. Now, their webpage, if you want to find that, that is where the pre-sale is going. Realpedro.com. At the bottom of their webpage, they have a Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, Linktree, and it looks like they have an audit, white paper, and contact email support@realpedro.com. There's an affiliate program. You can connect your wallet, and why you connect your wallet is that you could buy the token that way. So it says here you can get the token with ETH, USDC, USDT, or more. There's more options here. Let me click on more. See. Okay, no, it's ETH, USDT, or USDC. So basically, you would use a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would fund that wallet with ETH. Now, you could fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH. You'd go into the dApps. Why do I always say that? I'm not thinking pre-sale here. You'd fund your wallet with ETH, then you go to this webpage here, realpedro.com. You click Connect Wallet, and then you punch in how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how many Pedro tokens you get for that amount. You click Purchase. There is a How to Claim button on here. So it says Claim Pedro, but basically you wait until the pre-sale is over. It's got a countdown. It shows you how much you purchased and your balance and all that type of stuff. And then you claim your tokens when the pre-sale is over. Now, if you want to follow the Telegram, it is at Real Pedro ETH. 5,528 subscribers on the Telegram. And yeah, they do have a solid proof audit. So it says, the rise of meme culture has transformed the cryptocurrency landscape, introducing a new wave of tokens that resonate with the younger generation. Amidst this surge, the PedroCoin emerges, not just as another meme coin, but as a symbol of innovation and advancement in the digital trading universe. So welcome to the world of Pedro, the legend of memes, an innovative and digital asset inspired by the charismatic and charming RACCOON. This token is made for those who are ready to take the challenge, take risks, and reach to the top. Pedro, the legend of memes. New innovative meme coin symbolizing strength, confidence, and adventure with big ambitions set to change your perception of cryptocurrencies. It is compliant with the ERC20 token standard and aims to become the leading meme token on the market with a powerful, viral $1 million marketing campaign leveraging unique Pedro's brand building a strong and active community around it. PedroCoin gives power and control back to crypto lovers. Crypto enthusiasts are becoming more and more captivated by memes, causing more and more attention to be drawn to meme coins. PedroCoin is a solution that satisfies all parties. Thanks to capabilities in blockchain, we have developed smart contracts that attract everyone and also allow Web3 enthusiasts to automatically benefit from our unique referral program, even during the Pedro presale. As a result, revenue streams function properly and meet the needs of everyone, especially early members of the community. Now, the token distribution. The Pedro token will be distributed in three manners. First one is the presale. During this period of time, the general public will have the ability to purchase Pedro tokens at a large discount. So that's what's going on right now. It says starting price 2 cents per token. Every 48 hours, the price will increase by 1.5%. 30% of the total supply will be sold. Presale period will approximately last 2 months. Then the public listing. The initial listing will take place on UNISWAP, where additional tokens and Ethereum will be added to the liquidity pool. Additional tokens will be listed on central exchanges. The tokens will be listed on decentralized and centralized exchanges starting at a price of 40 cents. And early participants that took part in the presale will realize a 20 times gain. Now they have the community marketing. The only remaining way tokens can be distributed through community marketing. The community will be able to vote on how to allocate the remaining 5% of the tokens, making an effort to further the goal of mass adoption. So yeah, tokenomics, we got 5% of the tokens going to marketing and community engagement, 30% presale, 10% community rewards and airdrops, 10% central exchange listings, 30% decentralized exchange listings, and 15% staking. And it also says there will be 0% taxes. So you will, you don't have to worry about taxes here. Let me see if this audit actually works here. Okay, so they don't have an audit listed on CoinSniper. Usually they do if they have an audit, but you can find one on their webpage, and there is one by Solid Proof. And it says here that no big warnings that I could see. So yeah, it doesn't look like there's any issues. No critical, no high, no medium, no low, no optimization, no informational issues. But they do only have a 67 out of 100 score from TrustNet. So just be aware of that. And yeah, it could be because they don't have a KYC. There could be many reasons. But I mean, their audit, I don't see any big red flags. But make sure you thoroughly do your own research before getting this token. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.